guys, today I will be showing you my new bird. It's my first parakeet or budgie, and we had to put it in the dove cage because we don't have an extra cage for it. And it seemed a little peaceful with them. We named him Sky, and we are pretty sure he's a boy. We obviously could be wrong because it's really hard to tell. But the store owners said that I'm getting my gloves on so I can hold him because his bites are bad. They don't bleed, but they sting a lot. They really hurt. So I'm just gonna, oh yeah, and there's a bird trap down there, so I'm just gonna watch my feet. So he's up there. I will try to get my camera on here so I can show you what it's like to hold him. What is he doing? Okay, that is weird. He was like lunging down. Okay, now I think he wants to go down. Yeah, he's like looming down. What's he doing? What's he doing? Oh, he went down. Let me open the cage door, which is really tiny. Wasn't even meant to be a door anyways. So I'm gonna pick him up and then I'll show you, because I can't really capture on camera. He's too fast. Come on, Sky. As you can see, he is biting me right now. Wait, as you cannot see actually. Let me. Where is he? He does not like me, but he's just so cute. Okay. So that's just what I wanted to mention, because I actually got him yesterday and not today, but I made the video today. And this is how I got him. It's odd, not really what you would expect. So there was I go to this math building called Mathnasium. You should check it out, it's really good. And when I was coming home, I noticed that there was a cage in one of the buildings next to there, and I saw a parrot or a parakeet, I don't know, I think it was a parrot. And it was just in there, like being fed and loved by the people who work there. And then I thought it was a pet store, because why? I originally thought it was a grooming store, but turns out it wasn't, because I also saw some other like fish and stuff. There were no like dogs or cats, but there were dog treats and cat treats and toys for them. And then I actually successfully convinced my mom to buy, but not that same parrot or parakeet, because that one was literally $600 or $599.99, so really expensive. So we bought one of the cheapest ones you could find, which is only $39.99, which is $40 almost. And then when we buy it, it was a budgie parakeet, which is this same one over here. And I named him Sky. His last name's Ocean and his middle name's Blue. You don't really have to know that, I'm just saying. So that is the end of our video today. Goodbye.